Hello friends, in this lecture we will see Zlevel 5x, and this operation is under this multi-axis. So this 5-axis Z-level profiling we can do with this operation, and it is especially used for die mold and casting and forging operation. We can do semi-finish and finishing with this operation. So first I have a tool and my geometry. So first take a look of this geometry. This is the part, and for blank I'm using offset of zero point 0.5. Okay, okay, and create this Z label 5 axis. Program is my folder, tool and workpiece, and finishing operation. In 3 axis we have already done Z level profiling. It is just similar, but we can use this for multiple axis like 5 axis. We can use this option, and now select the area to cut. I want to cut this area, so all this area is my cutting area. And stock, I don't want any stock. And steep containment, I'm using none, so no problem. And merge distance and minimum cut length, these are the same as we have done there. So merge minimum distance, okay, that is 3. And cut order, depth first, on level first. So here depth is there, so and common depth of cut I'm using 3.0. Okay, and go to geometry. If you want to trim some boundary, so we can trim, but in this example it is not possible to trim anything. And here we have axis. So first I'm using this none, this tilting tool axis Z, and tilting, we can tilt, we can assign the angle for this tilt. If you want to add any reference tools, so with reference to tool it will work, so no problem, I'm not using this. Go to this axis, and it is by default it is none, and I'm just generating it. See, it will work in 3 axis as we do in Z level profiling. In mill contour the same result we will get if we will keep this option none. Take a look. This is my tool, and play. See, my tool axis is in Z. Okay, okay, and just okay. So copy this or rename as none option I have used. So again copy and paste inside, and double click over it. And this time I want to use away from part. See the this here in this example you can see away from part, the tool path and the tool axis will be away from the part surface. So these all are my surface, and tilt angle automatic, and the wall height, this wall height is, it is 76 75 approximately, and I'm not defining any angle. So let's see the result. Okay, and verify it. See, this time my tool is at an angle. If you will play, see, tool is not in Z axis, now it is working in 5 axis. Okay, okay, away from part. So I did it. And select this, and I want to show this tool axis. So play. See, tool axis, you can see these tool axes are at an angle. I don't know the angle, but still they are at an angle. And if I will see this one and play, this time my tool axis is along z axis. So main difference is for this axis. Now this time I'm using the same option, but this time I want to define some specific angle. So select this specify, and default it is, and the angle is, see, the angle is from vertical axis. If you will see, from the vertical wall the angle is from vertical angle. So I'm going to define 30 degree of this angle. So from horizontal it will be 60 degree. And let's verify. See, okay, 30 from the vertical. If you will play, it will work. Okay, okay again, okay. And I want to see the preview. So okay, this time this angle is from horizontal it is 60 degree, and from vertical 30 degree. And copy and paste inside, double click over it. And my next option is away from point. No, I'm not using this. No, away from curve and towards curve. And for this away from curve, the toolpath will generate according to the curve, and this green one, dark bold green curve, is a curve that is we are using for away from curve. Okay, so I am using this away from curve, and my curve is this. Okay, angle, okay, 30 degree. I'm just considering this, and generate. Verify. So this time this toolpath will follow our curve. Okay, stop. Okay, for better look, away from part first we use, and now this is away from curve. So make some change and play. See, you can see this kind of toolpath is generating and the access. So this whole is working, and the toolpath is generating according to our curve. Okay, see, you will see the uniform pattern. See, here it is radial because of this radius. Okay, and here also, and here. So it will work as per the curve. So in this lecture we have learned some option about this Z level 5 axis, and rest option we will see in next lecture.